Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I can't tell you how many times I've gotten emails about this thing right here. Hey Pete, it clogs up. Hey Pete, it don't work. I can't get it to work right. It's doing this, it's doing that. What's up? I know that you kind of like a spray nerd and you really like getting dialed into the equipment side of spraying. What can I do to fix it? So how do you fix it? That's how you fix it. So hose in spraying, a lot of folks do it because their yard's small and they don't need a backpack sprayer or a bigger sprayer just because of the size of their yard. And for folks like that, a hose in sprayer is really all they need. Some people may have a medium-sized yard or bigger yard, and you may deal with localized dry spots. You know, those are spots out in the yard that, you know, when it gets hot and dry, they tend to check out, and you may want to do some isolated applications. Don't want to go through the trouble of mixing up an entire backpack sprayer full of stuff, so you mix it in your hose in sprayer and you go out there and work on that spot. Well, nothing really against this one, this brand or whatever, other than I don't care for it because I just don't think it's built good. It's a piece of plastic and it don't create good suction. It just don't work good in my opinion. I've tried it a few times, and me being a spray equipment guru or nerd or whatever you want to call it, I just don't like that quality of product. I'm also a guy who likes to fix things that are broken, so I fixed it. The GCI Turf Jug Buddy comes with two container sizes, a 1 quart jug and a 1 gallon jug. The 1 quart jug is obviously for smaller jobs. Whether you have a really small yard or you just have an isolated area you need to go out and work on a little bit. Something else I like to use the quart size for is my annual flowers. I can mix up some green pop and floor green together and go out there and fertilize my flowers so that they are rocking and rolling come springtime. I found that the shower head nozzle works best when I'm fertilizing my flowers. And of course I can take the exact same jug and go out in the yard with the exact same shower head nozzle and fertilize my turf. Now when it's time to get serious and I want to set that little quart jug to the side, I bring in the big boy. Now I can put one product in here and go spray, or I can put 2 products in here and go spray, or I can put 3 products in here and go spray. But always remember, you have to do compatibility testing first. No matter how good the Jug Buddy is, if the products you're mixing together aren't compatible, it's not going to work. And here's a friendly reminder. Always use some water when mixing more than one product in the Jug Buddy. Now at this point in time, I'm ready to get busy with it. So I take my shower nozzle off and put my flood nozzle on. This allows me to spray 12 foot wide. Yep, 12 foot wide with a hose in sprayer. Works like a champion. Now once you get really good with your calibration on this thing, feel free to hook up straight to the manufacturer's jug. So keep an eye out. You'll see me using my Jug Buddy quite often around here this year. I've been working on this Jug Buddy for over a year now. Finally got it ready to show you. I've tried it from everything from straight Humic 12 to straight microgreen, just the thickest of thickest material that I could get my hands on, and I've run it through it with no problem. The Jug Buddy comes with multiple orifice sizes, okay? So that means you can have multiple different calibrations. Be aware that with some of the thicker liquids like microgreen or dethatch or Humic 12, you will need to use a larger orifice size so that it works correctly. And hey, what about the price? I know some of you's gonna look at it and you're gonna be like, holy cow, that's a lot of money for a hose in sprayer. And you're right, it is a lot of money for a hose in sprayer. But I've built this thing in such a way so that it's all stainless steel. The guts are stainless steel quick connects. We source out the parts from all over the country. We sit there and we hand put these things together so that every single one of them is just right. And again, out of my control on the pricing. Things just cost more than what they should cost right now. And I reckon if we don't sell any of them, I'll just give them away for birthday presents, right? So hey, how do you fix this? That's Al.